So, what's up guys and gals? This is Roy from Roy's Customs, and I was working on my ZX2. I've finally got everything all replaced in the back end. Got the gas tank changed out and all that stuff, and I had changed out my neck up here. I changed out my oil separator. It's not a brand new one, because like I said in a previous video, you don't even want to know how much that thing costs. But anyways, this isn't about that. This is actually about what I found in my spark plug, plugs. Well, I thought I'd take a little time and show you what I found whenever I went to pull my spark plug wires out. I've been getting leakage up in here. I know this is leaking. My actuator, solenoid actuator for my VCT is leaking, but whenever I pulled my plug wires, I found that. Yeah. Well, now when I got the car, I changed the valve cover gasket, so I know the valve cover gasket is good. It's still just fine. I didn't replace the little grommets on here though, so I didn't replace those seals. But also, I have 1, 2, 3 that had broken on me. The bolts actually broke on me. So I don't know how I'm going to manage that, but I need to fix that. Anyways, guys, gals, I'm going to let you guys go. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe. Hit the notifications so that you can catch more of my videos if you'd like to. And have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.